Right now, our Sports Sentiment API is showing a notable spike in momentum at plus 0.76, accompanied by a sentiment score of plus 0.35. This is significant. It's well above the historical baseline, indicating a surge in positive sentiment and activity regarding recent sports events. You can leverage this data to enhance your applications, whether you're building a predictive analytics tool or a fan engagement platform. For instance, you could analyze these spikes to trigger real-time updates or alerts for users based on prevailing sentiment trends, providing them with insights into how fan sentiment is shifting. Our API returns not just sentiment scores, but also detailed insights into the conversations happening around sports, making it easier for you to respond to emerging trends. Check out the full documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something meaningful together.